How to pass the driving theory test. Complete step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you are preparing to get your driving license, the first big challenge you will face is the driving theory test.
Many people fail this test, not because it is difficult, but because they are not well prepared. In this video, I will explain step-by-step how to prepare for the driving theory exam and pass it with confidence. We will talk about how the theory test works, the most important traffic signs, basic road rules, the best study techniques, and the most common mistakes candidates make.
By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to prepare and succeed in the driving theory test. So, stay with me until the end. Let's begin.
First, it is important to understand how the driving theory test works. The theory exam evaluates your knowledge of traffic signs, road rules, safe driving practices, and driver responsibilities. In most countries, the theory test consists of multiple-choice questions. Usually, you will answer between 30 and 40 questions. To pass the exam, you normally need to score around 70% or higher. This means that you must understand the rules and concepts, not just memorize answers. The purpose of the theory test is to make sure that every driver understands how to behave safely on the road.
Driving is not only about controlling a vehicle. Driving is about protecting your life and the lives of others. That is why the theory test is extremely important. Now, let's talk about traffic signs. Traffic signs are one of the most important parts of the theory exam. They communicate important information to drivers quickly and clearly. There are three main categories of traffic signs. The first category is warning signs.
Warning signs alert drivers about possible dangers ahead. These signs are usually triangular and often have a red border. Examples of warning signs include sharp curve ahead, pedestrian crossing, slippery road, school zone, and road works ahead. These signs help drivers slow down and prepare for potential hazards. Ignoring warning signs can lead to serious accidents. The second category is regulatory signs. Regulatory signs tell drivers what they must do or what they must not do.
These signs represent mandatory rules that every driver must follow. Examples include stop sign, no entry, no parking, speed limit, and one-way road.
If a driver ignores regulatory signs, they may receive traffic fines or penalties. More importantly, ignoring these rules can put other people in danger. The third category is information signs. Information signs help drivers navigate and find services. Examples include hospital, fuel station, parking area, bus stop, and direction signs. These signs help drivers plan their journey and stay informed about available services. Understanding these three categories of traffic signs will help you answer many questions in the theory test. Now let's review some basic road rules that every driver must know. One important concept is the right-of-way. Right-of-way determines which vehicle has priority in different traffic situations. For example, at intersections without traffic lights or signs, drivers usually give priority to the vehicle coming from the right.
Pedestrians always have priority at crosswalks.
Emergency vehicles such as ambulances, police cars, and fire trucks always have priority on the road. Understanding right-of-way helps avoid confusion and prevents accidents.
Another important rule involves speed limits. Speed limits exist to keep roads safe.
Drivers must always respect the maximum speed allowed on each road. Residential areas usually have lower speed limits. Highways allow higher speeds.
School zones require drivers to reduce speed to protect children. Driving too fast reduces reaction time and increases the risk of accidents. Another important rule is maintaining a safe following distance. Drivers should always keep enough distance from the vehicle in front of them. This gives you enough time to react if the car ahead suddenly stops. A simple method used by many driving instructors is the 3-second rule. Choose a fixed point on the road.
When the car in front passes that point, start counting. 1, 2, 3. If you reach the point before finishing the count, you are driving too close.
Now let's talk about seatbelts.
Seatbelts save lives. Drivers and passengers must always wear seatbelts before the vehicle starts moving. In many countries, driving without a seatbelt is illegal. More importantly, seatbelts greatly reduce the risk of serious injury during accidents.
Now let's discuss the best study techniques for passing the theory test. Many candidates fail because they do not study effectively.
The first technique is studying a little every day. Instead of studying everything in one day, try studying 30 to 40 minutes each day. Consistent study helps your brain remember information more effectively. Another powerful technique is using practice tests. Practice exams simulate the real theory test. They help you understand question patterns and identify areas where you need improvement. Taking several practice tests before the real exam can greatly increase your confidence. Another helpful method is studying traffic signs using images. Traffic signs are easier to remember visually. Look at pictures of the signs and associate the symbol with its meaning. For example, a deer symbol usually indicates an animal crossing area. Your brain remembers images faster than text. You can also study with friends. Studying with others can make learning more interactive and enjoyable. Ask each other questions about road rules and traffic signs. Teaching someone else is one of the best ways to reinforce your own knowledge.
Now let's look at some common mistakes that candidates make during the theory test. One common mistake is trying to memorize answers instead of understanding the rules. Exam questions may be written differently, so understanding the concept is much more effective than memorization. Another mistake is not practicing enough before the exam.
The more practice tests you complete, the more familiar you become with the exam format. Another mistake is ignoring traffic signs during study. Traffic signs are a major part of the theory exam and should receive special attention during preparation.
Another mistake is rushing through the questions during the exam.
Always read each question carefully. Sometimes a single word can completely change the meaning of a question. Take your time and think before choosing your answer. Before taking your theory test, remember these important tips. Get a good night of sleep before the exam. Arrive early at the testing center. Read every question carefully. Stay calm and focused. Confidence comes from good preparation. If you study consistently and understand the rules, you will pass the theory test. Passing the driving theory test is the first step toward becoming a responsible driver. Driving is a privilege that comes with responsibility.
If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is preparing for their driving theory exam. Good luck with your test.
Drive safely. Please subscribe for the next video, and see you in the next video.